My name is Kim, and I had a brain tumor and fluid on the brain, which is hydrocephalus. And my story started with not being able to walk correctly. I was stumbling and tripping a lot. So I went to my general doctor, my general practitioner, and he knew that 20 years earlier I'd had a brain tumor removed and that the doctor couldn't get it all. So he, of course, sent me to get a CAT scan and sent me to a neurologist. And when the neurologist saw the scan, he sent me on to neurosurgeon, and he recommended Dr. Fayaz. Is how I ended up with Dr. Fayaz. So I came and met Dr. Fayaz and Jonas, and really loved them both. Really liked the office staff, but figured with being such an important surgery, I needed to get some other opinions. So one friend recommended a doctor in the Houston Medical Center, and one recommended another doctor. So I went to these other doctors and just kept thinking about Dr. Fayaz, and so I prayed that God would send me to the right doctor, give me a peace about it. So my husband and I came back over here to see Dr. Fayaz and decide what we were going to do about my tumor. And when he and Jonas walked in the room, I knew that was the doctor. I knew that was it. So I like the way he just spends time with his patients. You don't feel hurried and answer all your questions. You feel like you're the only patient he has while you're in the room with him. So we went to the hospital, took out my tumor, and then for the hydrocephalus he had to put in a shunt so that my brain would drain correctly. And he had great bedside manner in the hospital. Just couldn't have been any nicer, couldn't have been more attentive. And knowing that my tumor could not all be removed, I'll probably be returning to surgery again at some point in time. So I just not like knowing that Dr. Fayaz will be there for me to remove it again. I am glad to be able to tell my story, because I know when I was looking, I was checking websites and wanting to talk to people about doctors, and so it's nice to have these testimonials to go to and get other people's experiences. So I'm thankful to get to tell my story, and I highly recommend Dr. Fayaz. His office staff is great, Jonas is great. So I recommend Dr. Fayaz very much. Thank you.